Rapper NBA YoungBoy cries foul over strict house arrest standards. Meanwhile, the officers who arrested him have been indicted on fraud charges and released on bond. In Baton Rouge, Louisiana, the legal plight of Kentrell DeSean Gaulden, famously known as the hit rapper NBA YoungBoy, highlights a striking paradox in the criminal justice system. Recently, a legal filing in the United States District Court for the Middle District of Louisiana has brought to light allegations of police corruption that directly contrast with Gaulden's ongoing custodial situation. Arrested in September 2020 on charges related to firearms and narcotics, NBA YoungBoy, a major figure in the music industry, now finds himself in the center of a legal controversy. This case, initially perceived as straightforward, has been complicated by accusations of misconduct by officers of the Baton Rouge City Police Department's Street Crimes Unit, the very unit responsible for his arrest. A memorandum filed on Gaulden's behalf reveals a disturbing irony. Several officers from the arresting unit have been indicted on charges, including malfeasance in office, obstruction of justice, and theft. These charges call into question the validity of the evidence against Gaulden and the integrity of his arrest. Contrasting sharply with the officers who have been released on bond, NBA YoungBoy remains under strict home incarceration. His legal team's efforts to amend these conditions underscore the impact of prolonged isolation on his mental health and career. They argue for his need to engage in employment-related activities and access mental health programs, essentials for his well-being and professional responsibilities. This case underlines a broader issue, the accountability of law enforcement and the treatment of individuals in custody. While the implicated officers have found some measure of freedom, NBA YoungBoy, despite his influence and prominence, continues to face the consequences of an arrest that now seems increasingly controversial. What stands out in this case is the disparity in treatment between the indicted officers and Mr. Gaulden. This disparity is a troubling aspect of the criminal justice system, where officers often receive more lenient treatment than regular citizens. This case not only highlights these disparities, but also ignites discussions about the fairness and equity of the judicial process. As developments continue to unfold, the implications of police corruption on the judicial process and the rights of the accused come into sharp focus. The legal community, along with NBA YoungBoy's fans, eagerly await further updates in this evolving story. For more information on this story and others about police corruption and misconduct, check out our website at breakingthrough.com.